KUNTEC adjustable drill press stand for drill review. Pros and cons. Pros. Very easy to use. Suitable for smaller tools like Dremel rotary tools. Versatile enough. Cons. Small and difficult to fit common drills. Looks flimsy, and breaks easily. Unsuitable for precise drilling. Finding the drill that fits the clamp can be challenging. Key features. Aluminum alloy base and solid column bar for durability. 43 mm maximum chuck size. Up to 60 mm drill depth. Black and gray color. Two holes for mounting the stand securely. Great for precise drilling. Key accessories are included. .94 x 1.97 x 2.36 inches. Product dimensions. 3.32 pounds weight. KUNTEC brand name. KC0173 model number. That's it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel.